is for a friend's little kid, daughter. Gonna get her out on the trails with this thing. He's had it for a while. Says it ran last year, I want to say. I think he said. Yeah, it's pretty rough. See what we can do with it. I had to kind of plastic weld the back fender up there because it's cracked in half, but came out alright. Let's see what we can do with that. Yeah, so I'm gonna make my own seat cover here out of some fabric or some marine grade vinyl. So I'm just roughing this in. It's definitely plenty to staple down, so probably just go a little bit bigger than what it should be, and get this all taken care of. I got this thing running. Looks good. All cleaned up, ready to go back to its owner. Probably gonna need a belt in the near future, but I'll let him decide that. So. Go down there and then put it in the garage. Go that way and just turn around.